In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then hit Vibration here. And this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you don't want to mute it, select Sound and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also manage incoming calls vibrations by scrolling down and tapping on Phone Ringtone. Then tap on Vibration section for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Apply any vibration pattern you want. Disable vibrations completely by selecting None, or click on Standard Vibration at the top. When you're done, you can tap on Notification Tone and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back, scroll again, and use this switcher next to Chester Haptics to turn them off or switch them on. If you decided you don't want to enable them, you can also use this switcher next to Chester Haptics to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!